That's why it didn't work.
Did you rip out that windshield wiper thing?
It didn't work to begin with.
So today we're gonna go ahead and compression check Jordan's 240's KA motor. He thinks it might kind of be dying on him essentially. It's been like making some weird noises and smelling and smoking and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and try to diagnose it. We're gonna start with the compression test and probably go from there.
For this,
Maybe you just don't have enough oil.
She's a little
she's
low.
on the L.
She's on the L.
Just taking an L.
I think he just undid the fuel pump relay. We'll see. There's like some sort of aftermarket security system in this thing, but I'm gonna try to crank it without killing us in the garage. Yep, she cranks. All right, let's see compression. Did you turn it off or? Yeah, that one went all the way up to 150. We cranked it a little bit more. Then we're gonna do the other 3.
Yep, you're good.
So what does this mean? She's smoking out of. Pulled out cylinder 3 spark plug and it's pretty burnt and there's oil on the tip of it. So now we're gonna compression check it. It's probably where his smoke's coming from. It's not promising.
Oh, you're good.
I think she's dead, my friend.
If I were to give you my honest opinion on that.
Wait, make sure that it's screwed in all the way. It was at like, it went up to 10, maybe 20. All right, you got up to 20. Is that good enough for you?
I'm gonna keep going.
No, it's done. It's done.
I have faith.
Motor 3 is looks pretty done to me. It's official. Jordan's 240 is dead. Probably gonna swap my motor in it sometime next long time from now, but I don't know what his plans are with it. Trying to convince him to go LS, but I don't think he's looking that route.
Get LS.
Jordan, get an LS.
Jordan, get an LS.
Dude, what are you doing back? Get off the Mishimoto. Right there. Don't hurt yourself, dog. All right, Sport. Hold on. What do you think, Sport? You like it? You like your little bed over there? Go lay down. There he is. Come on up, big boy. Come on up. Jordan's 240 is officially pretty much done. Springs and cylinder 3 are done, so he's right now filling up the oil. He has this brilliant idea of like sending it off with a blaze of glory type thing, and so he's wanting to do like a fat burnout out in the middle of nowhere, out in Mexico. So that's where we're headed right now. I got my GoPro, I have the drone, I have this camera here, and I have my other camera. So we're gonna get 4 camera angles, and we'll see how good of a burnout he can do, and hopefully it's not gonna absolutely just destroy itself, but we'll see. I don't think it's gonna make it back. If I had to put money on it, I think it's gonna break while it's there. Oh gosh. Oh, it's driving crooked too. Oh, that's so out of a line. We're here, boys. Welcome to the farmlands. What's he turning in here for? What does he do? Oh, is he doing a donut? Yeah, yep. There he goes. Oh, Jordan. The gravel. The gravel. It's time. This is the road we're gonna do it on right here. Jordan's right there. He's about ready to send it. I got the big camera here rolling. I need to turn it on. I need to also move it here. All right, she's rolling there. GoPro's rolling. In the world of sound. Keep her going! Yeah, boy! Keep her going! Woo! You're good, keep her rolling! Keep her going! It's dying! Garbage. Someone's coming! Oh, we got company. Yeah, let's go. He said it was dying on him. I don't know. Maybe it was bogging down or starting to seize. See the little puff of smoke drifting away. We're getting out of here. Someone's coming. Dude, that was sick. That was dope. That went well. You did good.
No problem. It's just burning oil.
Just burning oil because you have no piston ring on cylinder 3.
Or it's done. Alright guys, so my 240 is having a bit of trouble. I got a bad piston ring. Regardless of all the bad problems it has, it actually performed pretty well for the engine being almost done. It is burning oil pretty fiercely, so I think I'm gonna end up swapping it anyway. I'm gonna take it out, rebuild it, and maybe turbo it. We'll see.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with Jordan's build. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like a little change up, I'll catch you guys in the next one instead of have a good one. Yeah. Just a good deal.